Hello everyone, I am Pooja Singh, faculty in SIRTS department. Today we are going to discuss about the nickel portion of wind turbine which used to convert kinetic energy into electrical energy, which is connected with rotor and pole. So the main part of wind turbine is rotor hub, in which all blades are connected. Second one is blade. It can be 2 or 3 according to need. Last one is nickel portion, and nickel is a box in which all the parts are connected by a shaft, that is main shaft, gearbox, brake, generator, anemometer for direction, yaw motor. It is also used for rotating the nickel portion or rotor hub. So the rotor of the turbine are attached to a hub, that is rotor hub, that is mounted on a rotating shaft. The shaft goes through a gear transmission box where the rotating speed is increased. So the gearbox is generally used for increasing the speed. The transmission is attached to a high speed shaft which turn a generator that produce electrical power. The electric power may be DC or AC, depend on the need. Direct current can be generated by driving brushless DC generator attached to a windmill rotor. So the simple state, a wind turbine is opposite to a fan, and it basically convert wind energy into the form of electrical energy. So next point is size and power rating. So small wind turbine has speed in range of 100 to 300 rpm, while the large wind turbine having speed of 30 to 600 rpm range. So next point is selection of site. So selection of site is depend on some situation like availability of winds such as wind speed, frequency, direction, turbulence, frequency of storm, etc. For a period of at least 1 year should be collected for different prospective sites. It, it should be approx 1 to 5 year also. And second one is availability of land. The large wind farm is required approx 25 acres of area for 1 megawatt. So next one is grid stability. Grid should be free from the voltage and frequency variation for as far as possible. So what is the advantage of wind generated electricity? Wind energy is free, as we know. It is a renewable energy source. That means energy can never stop. So this is renewable energy resource. Wind energy is also a source of clean energy. That means it is non-pollutant electricity. Unlike conventional power plant, wind plant produce no air pollutant and greenhouses. So wind power plant have relatively little impact on the environment compared to fossil power plant. there is some concern over the noise produced by the rotor blade. So this is all about wind turbine. Thank you.